Hi, I am Mike from Mad About the Rhythm. In a few minutes, I will show you a few exercises to create your own rhythm. But before I start, just like to let you know, you can subscribe to this channel should you like, and click on the like if you like this video at the end of the tutorial, or do it if you wish. Right, to do this exercise, you should already be aware of a few chords on basic chords, which you can find on a different tutorial of mine. We'll be using the E minor. Okay, E minor. Now, as you probably know, the standard beat is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll be going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? To do this, we'll be going down and up, down and up, down and up. The down is the beat and the up is the and. So it'll be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? First exercise is a standard. You don't have to slam the guitar, you can just play it slowly, and your hand is only covers, only your wrist moves. You don't have to move your whole hand, okay? And it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, now for this next exercise, this is what is where the tricky part comes in. We're going to skip a strum. So let's skip the first strum, so we don't go down, we start on the up, okay? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. What I suggest is that you still move your hand, just don't strum it, to keep you remembering which direction you have to go. Okay, let's do this exercise one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, this next exercise, we'll be playing the 1, but we'll be missing the and. Just like so. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? Getting the idea? Let's go into another one. So now we're missing out number 2, beat number 2, like so. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, let's skip the and after the 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, let's miss the 3 now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, let's miss the and after the 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, let's miss the 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 finally let's miss the last and of the 4. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. See, this is how rhythms are created. Then you can skip 2 beats if you want. You can skip more than 1 beat, you can skip 2 beats, you can skip 3. Don't be afraid to experiment. Also, another way of practicing your rhythm is listening to a song, and let's play, for instance, Oasis. Now, Wonderwall. Now, usually you have to play it on a using a capo or capo. I'll play down here. So. Now that's the rhythm. Now I'm going to play it just scratching the guitar. When I say scratching, I mean putting my hand here so no sound comes up and go dum, 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 dum. So if there's a song you like, you can get the notes first, the chords of the song, but you listen to the song and listen to the strumming. And try to get the scratching strumming as close as possible to the song. You can make it your own eventually, but then you add the chords to the strumming. So tam 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 See what I mean? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please add a like if you like it, or you can even subscribe to my channel. Okay, this is Mike from Mad About the Rhythm. Bye bye.